Right, let's talk straight. If you're in the chemical industry and you haven't started using artificial intelligence, you're already falling behind. AI isn't the future. It's the now, and it's completely transforming chemical R&D, formulation, and process optimization. Imagine this. What if you could save months off your product development cycle? With AI-driven modeling and design of experiments, I've seen teams cut trial and error by up to 60%, taking ideas from lab bench to market in days instead of months. That's not hype, that's happening right now. And the best bit? You don't need to be a coding whiz. This expert-led online training is all about no-code and low-code, so you can harness AI to predict properties, simulate complex reactions, and optimize recipes, all without writing a single line of code. Think about the daily challenges you face: predicting toxicity, ensuring batch consistency, keeping up with regulations, and squeezing every ounce of value from your raw materials. AI is your shortcut to smarter decisions, fewer mistakes, and way more confidence in your results. This isn't just theory. You'll see real-world case studies, actual companies using AI to boost yields, reduce costs, and outpace their competition. Plus, you'll learn exactly how to build a business case, get buy-in, and make AI stick in your organization. So, who's this for? If you're an R&D chemist, a formulator, a process engineer, QA manager, or part of a product development team, basically, if you're in the business of making chemicals better, faster, or safer, you need this training. An expert will cover everything from AI-powered molecular design and process control to data strategy, regulatory compliance, and top of that, you will get to know the best AI tools you'll want to use. And yes, there's a Q&A session after the presentation, so bring your real problems and get actionable advice from our expert. Don't just watch AI change the industry from the sidelines. Future-proof your career. Master the tools, lead the change. Ready to cut trial time, improve yield, and stay ahead? Join us for the AI for Chemical R&D, Formulation and Process Optimization, expert-led online training, and let's make chemical innovation smarter together. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, check out the newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy, featuring thousands of courses across 100+ domains. Want to explore more? Visit academy.onlytrainings.com today.